Mr. He Qinghua, the founder of Sunward Intelligent Equipment Company Limited, is a university professor with rich life experiences. In August 1999, relying on the patent for invention and a loan of 500,000 RMB, he enthusiastically embarked on a difficult journey of entrepreneurship by leading several teachers of the university and leasing the idle plant, so as to better transform his research findings into products of practical application. Today, with the total assets of more than 5 billion RMB and over 3,000 employees, Sunward has developed into a respected international business group, both at home and abroad, and has successfully ranked among the top 50 global construction machinery industry with the listed company, Sunward Intelligent Equipment Company Limited, as the main body, construction machinery as the principal business. The group has successfully developed more than 160 high-quality and high-performance equipment of standard models and specifications and distinctive Sunward features, with a wide application in the following fields, including underground construction equipment, a complete series of excavators, modern rock drilling equipment, hoisting machinery, industrial vehicles, coal mine machinery, military construction machinery, hydraulic components, general aviation equipment, etc. With rapid development based on the industry-university research cooperation and indigenous innovation, great importance has been attached to Sunward Intelligent by all sectors of society and state leaders, including Li Keqiang, Wen Jiabao, Liu Yunqian, Zhang Gaoli, Li Chongqun, Liu Yandong, and Wu Yi have visited the company. The development of Sunward can also be considered as the development of products and technology, and a pilot innovation model and system with Sunward features has been established. Mr. He Qinghua, the founder of Sunward, has completed the revolutionary innovation of hydraulic static pile driver and consciously embarked on a development path of independent innovation by starting from this product with Chinese characteristics. After continuous improvement, hydraulic static pile drivers with the most complete varieties, functions, and optimum performance, and a green precast pile static construction method with Chinese characteristics have been developed. In addition to widespread application in China, the product and construction method have been widely popularized in Southeast Asia, CIS countries, and Central America. 15 patents of technological achievements have been granted, and the second prize for scientific and technological progress has been awarded. The rotary drilling rig is a kind of high-end piling machinery with integrative technique of mechanics, electronics, hydraulics. Sunward does not adopt the conventional development ideas of modification with the excavator, but comprehensively applies the innovative design to key technologies, including the working device, walking chassis, hydraulic system, control system, etc. With better stability and higher working performance, the products have been exported in batches to more than 30 countries, including the United States, Canada, Italy, Russia, India, etc. Moreover, Sunward has launched a powerful multifunctional drilling rig with dual power units characterized by greater technical difficulty, which has been used to complete many domestic projects with great difficulty in construction, and has also successfully entered the high-end markets of foundation construction in Hong Kong, South Korea, etc. Sunward's research and development is not just focused on the products. Sunward's contribution to the industry has been demonstrated in the 2 published monographs about the rotary drilling rig from a higher level and more universal values. Leader of the national brand for Chinese excavator, This is the assessment on Sunward's contribution to the excavator industry in China, as shown in the book Chinese Excavator Industry for 50 Years. The year 2001 was the most sluggish year for Chinese excavator industry. During this period, the newly established Sunward started to cope with the impacts on this vanguard product of construction machinery in the least shabby plant, overcame a series of unimaginable difficulties, and established an independent R&D, manufacturing and supporting system of excavators, thus creating a multiple industrial first. The first enterprise to bring excavators that meet the modern standards to the market in batches. At present, with an inventory of more than 6,000 sets in Europe, Sunward has become an enterprise with the largest inventory of Chinese excavators in foreign countries. In the summer of 2010, Jukka, a young man from Finland, drove a Sunward excavator and finished a trouble-free trip through Finland for more than 1,000 miles in 29 days, which caused a sensation in the industry. The first enterprise to show intelligent unmanned excavator in large-scale international exhibition. All the audiences were attracted by the excellent performance of the robotic excavator with beautiful shape. The first domestic enterprise to successfully obtain the proprietary intellectual property rights for main valve of the excavator. Currently, main valves for small excavators have been provided in batches by Sunward's factory in Wuxi. The first enterprise to launch petrol-electric hybrid excavator that meets the requirements for engineering applications. At the same time, the enterprise has taken the lead in offering Chinese hydraulic hybrid excavators. In addition, it has been certified by Associated Authority that the performance of these excavators has reached the world advanced level. It has been proven that the Sunward Plateau excavator provides an extremely excellent performance during excavation competition on Tibet Plateau. Sunward excavators have been used for military rescue and relief work and national defense construction in batches. Sunward Intelligent has ranked among the top 20 excavator enterprises around the world. The founders of Sunward Intelligent R&D team have been devoted in R&D of rock drilling equipment since the 1980s. Sunward provides the customers with a family of integrated down-the-hole drilling rigs that have been tested by drilling and blasting constructions at 42 degrees Celsius above zero in Africa, minus 35 degrees Celsius in Russia, at an altitude of 5,300 meters in Tibet, as well as 50 meters below the sea surface, which are proof of the pilot innovation strength of Sunward. By providing customized design to the customers, Sunward has fully demonstrated its difference-making competition strength. Sunward Intelligent has rolled out its hydraulic rock drills, open-air rock drill hydraulic crawler, and down-the-hole hydraulic crawler drill with complete proprietary technology, relying on a deep and solid technological accumulation in the field. In addition, the cutting rigs and spiral piling drill rigs, firstly published by Sunward Intelligent, have further completed the product group of Sunward drilling equipment. Sunward is the first enterprise in China that develops a series of skid steer loaders with proprietary intellectual property and related most completed multifunctional attachments in China. The eye-catching Smart Series electric forklift trucks of Sunward, as well as the fine Sunward Series forklift trucks and telescopic forklift loaders, have received the favor of both domestic and overseas customers. Sunward has led a difference-making road in development of the hoisting machinery. The telescopic crawler cranes feature are easily transportable and may walk with load and are compatible to all road conditions with outstanding performance, which are especially favored by the users in Singapore and other developed regions. The rough terrain cranes have compact structure and four wheels that may turn in multiple directions with high off-road performance, making the crane suitable to operate on uneven road and confined space. Such cranes are already batch used by Chinese military. With years of experience in mining services, Anhui Sunward Mining Equipment Company Limited has developed the coal cutters and heading machines in the shortest possible time in the meantime. though it is newly engaged in the manufacture of coal mining equipment, creating a new record in the coal mining equipment industry. Sunward greatly supports the national industry of the construction equipment by Sunward Design. Meanwhile, Sunward is heading for a higher level field of general aviation manufacture. The Aurora light sport plane, which has performed aerobatic flights at the China International Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition, is a homemade plane that is integrally formed and made of carbon fiber composite. This is the plane manufactured from Sunward Intelligent Equipment Group, and Sunward is the only privately operated aircraft manufacturing enterprise with both the airworthiness certification and production certificate issued by CAAC. The high-quality products come from the high-level manufacturing system. Sunward Intelligent has accumulated and formed a series of independent Sunward manufacturing technology in the critical manufacturing process concerning welding of complicated component, machining and processing of high-precision parts, assembling of mechanics, electronics, hydraulics, integrated equipment, and production of complicated duct, high-strength casings. In the tall and capacious plant, covering an area of hundred thousands of square meters, the numeric control machining centers of all models, the welding robots, precise plasma blanking line, three-dimension laser cutting line, electrophoretic paint, and all modern assembly lines, describe the world-leading manufacturer. We create our own values by creating values for customers. Sunward has set up a powerful marketing and service platform in the headquarters, where a large screen displays the current working position, oil consumption, oil pressure, rotating speed, etc. of the products. And the customer call center works 24 hours a day and reflects the customer complaint to the company in the shortest possible time. Sunward Marketing and Service Network has spread all over the world, at home, service engineers and service vehicles from 130 network points provide customers the optimal service radius. At abroad, tens of professional agents are developed. More than 10 Sunward subsidiaries in Europe, America, Russia, Singapore, Indonesia, etc. as the main service center are established, and the professional sales service team, inclusive of the localization staff, is organized, and the central fittings warehouse and complete unit warehouse are built. Sunward trademark has been registered in dozens of countries. In the large-scale international construction exhibitions like BICES in Beijing, Bauma Shanghai, Bauma Munich, Intermat Paris, ConExpo Las Vegas, the beautiful Sunward greens have obtained the respect and appraisal from both home and abroad, highlighting the charm of Sunward brand. Holding the core value of self-cultivation, enterprising, and social responsibility, Sunward participates actively in various charitable donation activities, set up grants and scholarships, and actively undertakes the social responsibility. In 2008 Wenchuan earthquake, Sunward assigns the rescue team within the first time, along with construction machinery, money and goods in total value of over 5 million RMB, to open up the roads closed down due to the earthquake and help the victims. In 2002, the chairman of Sunward gave the speech, "Keep Practice of Shrift and Eliminate Extravagance." His speech won repeatedly the warm applauses of over 2,000 members of CPPCC and has struck a strong chord in society. To be the creator of world value in the equipment manufacturing field is the mission and vision of Sunward. Equipment manufacturing is a foundation that the nation relies on. Sunward bears the responsibility and mission to develop the nation from a large manufacturer to a manufacturing power, and furthermore to a strong creator nation, as well as the mission to create new value to customers and improve the living of mankind and quality of work. living through 15 years of trials and hardships. Sunward is now leading a new journey to achieve a new height.